Yes. Now we used to have individual fears, but now we have fears on behalf of humanity, regarding the continuation of the human race. Yes, we have global fears. God Almighty is making us experience fears of being collectively annihilated. Today, a lady who is a professor and an expert in viral matters says that you should be grateful, saying that corona is a very innocent virus. She says, imagine if it were Ebola spreading around. Ebola is so bad that it really takes a toll on a person. So she says, be grateful, because this virus only takes 3 to 5%, which is a scary number. But still, corona is an innocent virus. Moreover, I am looking at the results, meaning in the distinction between those who recover and those who die. The numbers are around 20% worldwide right now. Those who contract this disease either recover or die, don't they? When you look at it, those who recover and those who die. The death rate is 71% and the recovery rate is 79%. But even for this, the woman says to be grateful, meaning this is a very innocent virus. What if it had been Ebola? It means that God Almighty is making us think about this. Look, with this virus that spreads so easily, I am only sending you a message. If I spread the other type in the same way, sometimes God Almighty may take away half, or 3/5, 4/5, 8/10, 9/10, or it makes us think that God Almighty, who does this, could send something that takes away everyone it catches, so that we may think and show respect to God Almighty. But you see that many are still indeed uncomfortable, even reading the matter between us and God Almighty